This is Minute English.
When we're cleaning during springtime,
We find things that we don't need anymore. We want to get rid of them, to sell them, or give them away, or throw them away. In the United States, a common form of getting rid of things is called a garage sale. A garage, normally where you keep your car or other things, is where things accumulate. You collect them. And on a certain Friday or Saturday, you will open your garage and let people come in, and you will have things to sell there. And you will put a little sticker on it that says 50 cents or $1. And people will go through and say, I want to buy this. And you sell it to them. For me, growing up, we went to garage sales all the time. That's how we found clothes without having to go to the store, or tools or equipment, because we didn't have enough money to buy things new all the time. So we would buy other people's things that they couldn't use anymore. It was like recycling, but we got to choose what we wanted. And we loved garage sales. But in many parts of the world, you don't find those. Have you ever been to a garage sale? And would you have one? Let me know what you think.